everybody, today we're going to make a kitchen. Oh, I said we're going to make a kitchen. We're going to open a kitchen. What does it do, Mommy? Do you know?
I don't know. Wow, it's cool.
I love it. Can I open the whole thing?
Please go ahead.
I'm just gonna cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just keep cutting it. I wonder how to open it. Oh, right there. I don't know how to open it. Maybe it's from the bottom. Oh yeah, it's from the bottom.
Yeah.
Again, I guess. That's kind of cool. It's from the bottom, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's over here.
You can cut.
Yeah, but I think I can do it.
Can
I don't
I?
want to cut it. That's okay. It's so big. Oh no, what did I do? Let's just take this out It's kind of hard to take it. Maybe we have to cut
I
this.
think we need hand and hold.
Yeah, sure. Mommy, can I open this?
Sure.
Let's open this. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Let's open these now. And there's a little stem. Oh,
Are you cooking? For me?
yeah. We'll get the phone later.
Yeah.
I wonder who's calling. Okay, let's open this now, right?
Mm-hmm. Corn. Oh. And
Let's see. Ooh, juice. Orange juice. It's coming to my meat. It's so cool. It's cute. Let's see what else there is. Let's see. Whoa, it's so cool. Let's close it and open this. Oh, there's something here. Those don't open. Let's just open this. Can I open it? Can I open it?
sure.
Yay. Okay, maybe we just pizza box. You can put this pizza box. Let's put it in. Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Ooh.
Pizza. Let's close it back up. I'm just gonna put that in the sink.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, I think I have to cut it. Open this.
Vegetable,
Maybe it's not just vegetables.
fruits.
I think. Let's open it. Oh, let's open these. Whoa, there are vegetables and fruits.
Grapes.
Yeah,
Then,
tomatoes.
then,
There are tomatoes, grapes, bananas, and oranges.
yeah.
And don't move away. Let's open this. I'm just gonna take I'm just gonna take them out. Actually, no. Pepper and salt. Now let's open this package. Whoa, there's a big box.
Ooh,
Can we open it?
please. That way.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
Hmm.
Oh, another water bottle. I have two. What else is it? Oh, a sponge. Broccoli. Some cups. Do they fit here? Let's see. Cool. Yeah, oh, perfect. Now Megan and Kate have one. it is. Oh, I think it's for the window.
Wow.
This. Okay, now let's see what we can put. Let's put some stuff in here. That opens. Yes, perfect. Does this fit? It does. Corn. Do bananas go in the fridge? Do they? Yeah, there it goes. Fridge, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's big.
Yeah, it's super big. What's
You
that?
can put on the rack.
Okay. 10 eggs.
Mm.
Where do broccolis go? Maybe there. These go? Let's just put these here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Put it over here. It's so squishy. Do bananas go in the fridge?
No.
Do they go here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do corn go in the fridge?
Yeah, you can.
I think I want to put it there.
Yeah.
I think this goes in the fridge.
Yeah, you can barbecue. Not now, right?
No. Maybe plates go in the fridge.
Mm. Are you sure?
No. I don't think they go in the fridge. Broccoli does, I think.
Yeah.
Yay. Ooh, these go in the fridge.
Oh, really?
Oh no.
I don't think.
Ooh, these go in the fridge.
No, 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 please.
Maybe we have to cook the cake on the stove. There.
Mm-hmm.
How did that fit? That.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. Maybe they're going here.
Yeah, you're right. What about the freeze? Chicken.
These go there. Maybe this goes there.
Yeah. Chicken too.
And this.
Oh no, you naughty.
I'm not naughty. You are.
No, I'm not.
We're not. We're both not naughty.
Yeah.
These go there.
No, 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 no.
They go there. These go in there.
How many left? Just a spoon.
Spaghetti got in there.
Hmm. Spaghetti?
Yeah.
You have to cook.
Yeah. And maybe these go in there. I don't know what they are. And these go there. And spoons go in there.
No, please.
This goes in there.
Oh. What's that? That one?
It's an egg. And I don't know what this is. What is this?
Nuts?
What's this? You know.
Mm.
Okay. This goes over here.
No, 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 no.
This goes over here. No, they don't. This. No, 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 no. They don't go in there. Ah, it's stuck to my leg.
It's danger.
Yeah,
Is it?
I guess. Is it a knife?
No.
Well, then it's not dangerous.
Yeah.
This goes in the fridge.
Oh,
Sponge.
you naughty.
No, this goes. No, no. This goes in there.
What about that tray? One left. Yeah, that one. That one dishwasher, I think, for oven.
This one,
Microwave. Mm-hmm. Oven.
the microwave.
No. No.
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, it should be here.
Yay, it fit. Now time to put. Now time to bake the sponge. Just kidding.
Yeah. It's gonna barbecue.
Now it's time to put the sponge in the microwave. Beep. I started it. Oh no no no.
Oh.
Just kidding. I didn't start it. This goes.
Can you close the fridge?
Yeah. Now, this. It's time for me to. Okay, I finished again.
It's cold?
It's ice.
It's cold.
Yeah. All done. Now put it in the sink. I think this goes here. And this goes here. And these go in there. I'm just gonna put
It's
them.
gonna mess.
I'm just gonna put them there. Oh wait, like the set.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just pretend that these are
No,
ice.
please don't.
No, it's ice.
That's not ice.
No, I'm pretending it's ice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, then ice.
I'm gonna put this over here. Wait, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
And these over here, but they don't fit. So no. And I'm gonna put these in there. Oh no, it won't work. I'm just gonna put them in there. It will work. Yay, it's ice. All done. And I think it's enough, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Come in. Oh, and I'll just put the sponge there. Thanks for